Want to learn how to quickly edit shorts in this Ali Abdaal style? I'm going to show you how to make over 20 of these shorts in just a few minutes with this new AI. And if you stick around, after that, I'll show you how to use this AI tool for free forever. So, this is the AI tool to use. It's called Opus Clip. You'll see here it gives you viral clips. The link to this website is in the description to this video, but don't go there yet because later in the video, I'm going to show you how to properly get set up so you can use this tool for free forever. As I'm already set up, I've logged in, and here is where I'll paste the link to this Joe Rogan Elon Musk interview on YouTube that we're going to get the AI to cut up into Ali Abdaal style shorts for us. If I just delete that link quickly, you'll see that you can pop in links here to videos on YouTube, Zoom, Google Drive, Rumble, and you can even click this box here to upload your original videos directly from your computer for the AI to then cut up into the Ali Abdaal style shorts for you. But for this example, we're just going to use this Joe Rogan Elon Musk interview to cut up into shorts like Ali Abdaal uses for his deep dive podcast, which you're seeing over here right now. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose the deep diver style to tell the AI to turn our shorts into the same style shorts that Ali Abdaal uses for his deep dive podcast. Then we simply scroll down. We tell the AI we want our clips to be less than 60 seconds so that they qualify to be YouTube shorts. Here in this box, we enter any specific topics from that original video that we want the AI to look out for when it is creating our shorts. So here's a few I've entered from that interview. Then we just scroll back to the top and press this button here to get our shorts. It now takes the AI around 5 to 10 minutes to put those shorts together for you. So go and make yourself a hot drink. And by the time you come back, your shorts will be ready. So the AI has done its thing now, and look at this, in just a few minutes we've got 1, 2, let's scroll down the whole way to the bottom, 39 YouTube shorts made for us in the style of Ali Abdaal. I've been using this AI for a while now, and it still just continues to blow my mind. And a great thing, if we look here, we've got this score. It actually ranks the YouTube shorts that it generates for us in order of virality score. And this is how likely the AI thinks each of these shorts is created, how likely it is that those shorts are going to go viral out of 100. So the theory being that the shorts higher to the top are more likely to go viral. I'll just press play on this short here to show you what we've been given.
If you get to succeed in being less wrong most of the time, you're doing great.
That's a great way of putting it. Aspire to be less wrong. But then
So as you'll see, we've been given 39 shorts like this, which jump between the current speaker talking and add those Ali Abdaal style captions on top of their words. If we jump into the edit screen for this short in particular, I'll just show you that we can quickly make some design changes. The most useful one being that we can change where those captions show from the bottom to the middle over here on the right, or the top. Or we can just let the AI choose which is the best place to put it for us. There's tons of other customizations we can make to these shorts, which I'll talk about in just a second, but just looking down here to the other options, we can export each individual short to Adobe Premiere to further edit it if we want to. And by clicking this button, we can post our shorts directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and LinkedIn from within the Opus Clip AI tool website. So I'll get on to how to use this AI for free pretty much immediately, but first let's just soak in how incredible this is. 39 shorts in Ali Abdaal style in one click of a button. That's going to save YouTubers so much time in creating their shorts, especially podcasters that want to do it in this Ali Abdaal style. It's mad. Right, so on to how to use this AI for free forever. If you click the link in the description to this video, it will take you to the Opus Clip website where I am right now. And if we click on this frequently asked question at the bottom, you'll see that Opus Clip explains if you're a new user, you get a 7-day completely free trial where you're going to be able to make around 30 YouTube shorts using the AI. After that free trial ends, you can either upgrade to one of their paid packages, but obviously we're looking at the free forever solutions, or you can use the Opus Clip free forever plan. And that's what I want to show you. Let's jump up to the pricing to see their different packages. And here we can see the free forever plan, $0 a month. That allows you to use 60 minutes of original video to be cut up into shorts per month. It's going to make your shorts in 1080p. The AI is going to auto reframe your short, so the speaker's face is always shown within the frame. And it will also add AI captions to your shorts. So you can do that completely for free every month. The only downside is the shorts that you're going to export are going to have the Opus Clip watermark somewhere on your short. But if you click the link in the description, you'll see there's an offer on at the moment. So for as little as $9.50 a month, you can do everything that you've just seen in this video with no watermark on your export shorts and a ton of extra features too. So there's a solution there for everyone. Now you know about this tool, here's a video I put together showing you how to, rather than just getting 39 clips in 10 minutes, how to get 1,000 clips in 10 minutes. And I also run through all of the detailed design customization stuff that I skipped in this video. So watch that next. And remember to subscribe to the channel.